So I was just passing by and I saw this. I saw something similar to it in another booth. This is MegaLite, and it's called a Circa XL Scoop LED. It's pretty interesting. Have a look at this. You've got a big bulb in the middle, right? But then there's some stuff, I guess, on the outside maybe? Yeah, there's a ring there, and it almost does a turbine effect. Just have a look at this for a minute. I think it's pretty cool. This is something that I'm looking directly at, and it's not completely blinding me. I like that. This is the kind of stuff that I don't have in a light show. Everything I have is kind of like an uplight or a downlight, but something people can actually visually look at without having their eyes hurt. I think it's pretty cool. And this is, like I said, it's not blinding. You can look right at it. That's a little blinding. Okay, fine. But if you point it up, I think it would be okay. I'm not sure what kind of effect it's like projecting here. Oh, here we go. It is projecting quite an effect. Look at this big beam here. Is that the same thing? No, that's not the same thing. This is a wash. It's going all over this beam. Look at this. Pretty cool effect. Again, MegaLite, Circa XL Scoop LED. Now, if I come over here, if I'm not mistaken, that might be a smaller version of that. So this is the Circa XS Scoop LED. How you doing? It doesn't work. Jesse?
Jesse, pleasure to meet you.
Jesse, what are we looking at? I like these.
So these is going to be our Circa Scoop LED. This is going to be more of an eye candy type picture that we're going to offer.
Yes. And I was just saying, I'm a mobile DJ.
Awesome.
I have an audience that watches a lot of my videos. A lot of the things I'm doing now are uplights and wash lights. I'm not doing a lot of stuff that people can actually look at and it's not blinding them.
Okay, yeah. This is going to be more of, again, like an eye candy type picture.
Yes.
There's a lot of current big artists that are traveling with it. Carlos Santana has it on tour.
Okay.
Bad Bunny is a rapper. And,
yeah, I know Bad Bunny.
A band called Circa Survive. They use the light on their tour. They love the name. We also have adapters to be able to put multiple units together, kind of create a nice like sunflower type display. But
yes,
with the light itself, you're going to get 3 and 5 pin in and out standard.
Okay.
And each light, as you'll notice, will have individual segment control.
Yes.
So you'll get it on the outer ring here. You'll get it on the inner reflector, and then if you look at the center honeycomb part, you'll also have
those are SMDs that are flipping around, and it's a reflective surface, and it gives you that cool turbine effect when it spins around.
Exactly. Yes.
I like it.
I like it. It does have the nice, warm white, cool white amber in the center, so you get that nice incandescent look. But yeah, kind of cool with the stands, gives it a nice little industrial look, and then you can jump into the nice fun stuff.
Right.
With the LED colors.
Are these running on an internal mode?
Right now we're doing it via DMX, but typically all fixtures will have their little internal, light
where you can do an effect like that without having to DMX it.
Of course.
Which I think would be nice. I mean, simple is good, believe it or not. Us DJs don't want to mess around with crazy stuff. So that's the Circa XL. This is the
Circa is going to be the XS. This is going to be the Circa, and then the XL.
So this is the regular Circa.
Yeah, we have a smart AI that also gives you the ability of jumping into the lighting world by creating a bunch of looks based on what your fixture can do. Yeah.
I like it.
I can show you guys that software as well. The designer of the software, just like you and I, DJ, got started, wanted to be able to figure out an easy way to control his lights, so he designed his own software.
I love it.
I'll go ahead and show it to you. It's around the other side over here.
All right, cool. Let's have a look real quick. I'm going to do one shot here. I'm going to walk around here. Have a fun, unexpected thing we just ran across as we were walking by.
And we're doing a raffle for this as well, so we'll go ahead and get you guys signed up.
Oh, right on.
So this is going to be our lighting control interface. This is Disco. It's brought to you by the guys at Mega Systems out in San Antonio, Texas. So this is the software they made for it. Very user-friendly, very intuitive. It's got a nice little 3D visualizer.
Sure.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this hours upon hours of hard work here. And it's going to pretty much start with a blank canvas. And this is my programming side. I got playback and programming. So here on my programming side, it has all the lights that I have patched already. So I can select them all, turn them on, off, on. But what I'm going to do is utilize all the fixtures presets and what it can do, all the different channels, to create a bunch of artificial looks using my Smart AI. So my Smart AI will grab all the different attributes that light can do.
Okay.
And create a bunch of generic looks that I can utilize for my show.
Just drag and drop.
Drag and drop. So now I got a bunch of presets to choose and work from that gives me individual brightness and speed control.
Right on.
And then once you start jumping into more of the, I guess, color correction stuff that you'd like to change, you can go in here and edit each button. But we give people the ability of being able to just jump right into the lighting world without necessarily having to program these individual complicated looks.
I hate DMX, dude. I'm just not gonna lie. But if it's drag and drop intuitive, I'm on board.
Yeah, a lot of people are starting to hop on board considering that.
Yeah.
We designed the step up for this for the church market, considering there's a lot of volunteers.
Right. House of worship stuff. Yeah.
And we wanted to make something very volunteer-proof for anybody else. Again, to just hop right in and be able to control lights with these. This is touchscreen friendly. Unfortunately, this isn't a touchscreen, but it's touchscreen friendly, MIDI capable, or you can assign all your different buttons to a keyboard.
Oh, right on.
One universe. But if you run out of space, you're able to add additional universes to your computer.
Sure.
That's going to be the disco, and if you want to get into the video world in conjunction with your lighting cues, that's going to be Enlighten. That's going to be the stuff that I have over here.
Yep, that's getting crazy. Well, we'll go ahead and have a look while we're here.
That's what we're doing for our show here right now. We're actually simultaneously running our video. Here's my little preview screen in conjunction with the lighting for this entire booth. So the same video you see here is exactly what you'll be seeing on the front display.
Oh, right on. Oh, and I actually saw your display yesterday. Is it transparent?
Yeah, it's got a blow-through port. So with the blow-through ports, we're able to put lights in the background. And for outdoor applications, of course, it helps it not fly all over the place.
Sure. There's Andy. He's on doing his thing there.
I'm there.
Yeah, look at the screen they have up here, guys. It's pretty neat. I saw it yesterday when I was walking around. There's a transparency to it. It's kind of crazy. There's some girls right there. Yeah, they're saying hi. But you can put lights behind it and see the lights. It's kind of a neat screen. Mega View. I really want to thank you for showing us all that cool stuff.
I really appreciate your time, Brian.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Look forward to seeing you guys next year at NAMM 20.
We're always here.